Hey everyone, so here is new interesting trending app. As you can see, it's in the top charts in social networking category. So let's just open it up so you can easily download it. The size is like 30 megabytes. It has 1.5k ratings, so you can play games and have voice chat. So if you just open the app, basically here it is. The whole idea is like quite old, but it's still exciting. So you can just play different games and then just having voice chat with like random people. Here you can just get some 200 gems for free if you just share it on Snapchat. So let's just do that. I'll just try to share some of their stickers so we can do that, but yeah, it's just Snapchat pasted some story from JUJU, and then something like this, and then I can just send it into my story, and then basically there you have it. So now I submitted it. So there you have it. Hopefully then you can get some free gems by doing this. But here is the app. There were a few games in the beginning, but now there are more. So there is Wing Blast, there is Sheep Battle, there is Friend Goals, 4 in a row, Stack Attack, Trivia Champion, Jungle Swing, and more games coming soon. Also, you can just tap on a question mark and you will appear in some random game with someone. And then basically this is how it looks like. I don't want to go into the game right now because frankly the app is still a bit buggy. So for example, this is how the game will look like. You can then just turn on your microphone and then you can just play with some random person. You can also chat and have voice chat and all of that. So it's kind of similar to, like Omegle random video chat app. Here you also just play games. So maybe you also remember something like House Party, or there is another app which is called Rave, where you can share a browser. You can also play some games. Here is just focused around games. And then there is also some little board, so you can compete with other people. You can see your own rating. You can see how many gems each person has yesterday or all time. So you can see all time champions. At the moment, this is Cola username. So I don't know if it is possible to go to someone's profile or add it like as a friend. So I'm not sure you can do that. And then there is just your profile tab. So you need to share on Snapchat. You can share on Snapchat to get 200 gems. So you can see I just shared 3 out of 5 times. And then that's your username. You can change it. You can upload your profile picture, and that's basically it. It's not possible to add friends or DM or chat message here. This doesn't work. So also here we can read more about JUJU. JUJU is an app to make friends by playing fun casual multiplayer games with people from around the country and talk over instant voice chat. And you win games, you'll earn gems and climb the leaderboard. Super fun and low pressure way to make new friends. So something like House Party, but the House Party was more with like, people and you had the video chat here. Here you just play some random games with random people and can have a voice chat. So if, for example, if you're feeling lonely or something like that, you can always just, instead of doing just voice chat straight away, which can be boring, you can just start playing some game. And it can be pretty nice. Like some time ago, like a few years ago, there were some very popular games like Pool or something like that, and just like Apple games were just starting. It was like 10 years ago maybe, and you just have this first online multiplayer, and it was pretty exciting. It's interesting, but now it's just another way to do it. And there also you will probably need a lot of gems, or when you just win the game you can get all these gems. So you can buy for $2.99, and that's like will 2x your gems in 1 hour or 3x in 1 hour. Like if you win 5 games, you can get 50 gems, win 100 games, 500 gems, write a review, follow on Instagram, turn on notifications, daily check-in. So every daily check-in brings you automatically 20 gems. So here, as you can see, I just collected 20 gems. Yay! And now my rating is 680 today. So I'm up, I'm climbing up in the ratings. So that's pretty cool. Yep, and then there is like help and feedback in case you're sensitive about your data. Any other reason, you can just reach out here to support, and you can always ask them to delete your account, or if you have any other feedback, maybe app ideas, maybe you're looking for a job at this app or anything else. So yep, you can just reach out there. So yeah, that's basically the app, the idea. Again, these are the games. Some of the games you can play solo, some other games you can play with someone. And there are more and more games coming soon. So definitely try out this app if you just like to hang out on your phone, just like lying on the sofa somewhere and just like, what should I do? Like to hang out with some friends and like have some chats and all of that. So this is one of the apps which can help you with it, because honestly I don't really like all these random video chat apps. It's a bit cringe, and a lot of them are like pretty scammy, and I don't want to see all the like scammy stuff, videos and all of that. Just in this Omegle or Monkey apps, but this is the more safer way to do it. So this is like a more, if you are a bit more introvert as well, this can be a good app to start and to play it and all of that. So as you can see, 4.8 out of 5 average rating, so that's pretty okay. You have 1400 ratings here. Some reviews. This is a very great game. I will be playing this game every day, morning, noon and night, because I love it so much, and I wish I could make money off it, but that's okay because I still love this game no matter. So yep, that's basically it. So that's the idea. Hope you enjoyed this quick overview of the app. As you can see, it's pretty amazing that this app is right now in the top charts in social networking category. So definitely there is some like magic to it, and there is some like design elements which people like and enjoy. So thank you for watching.